Hi guys, welcome to this Money Control live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, Yatin, we have snapped out of a 3-day gaining streak. Nifty somewhere around that 19,550 mark. But at the beginning of trade, we were thinking that it would clock that 19,600 mark, but didn't quite get there. But nevertheless, some bit of profit booking coming in. In fact, even the mid and small cap indices have cooled off after hitting highs in consecutive sessions. Advanced decline ratio today slightly in favor of the losers. In fact, if you look at some of the sectoral performers, metals and banks are under pressure, but FMCG, pharma doing well today. Autos were also under pressure when I last checked. On the Nifty, some of the pharma names are doing well. Divi, cipla, all these from the pharma pack doing well. HDFC Life, that was under pressure over the last 2-3 sessions, has managed to stage a comeback. Airtel and HDFC Bank among the private banking lot is doing well, even though its peers are not in the pink of health in today's session at least. On the losing end, you have NTPC, Tata Steel, JSW, so metals under pressure. Indusind Bank and Maruti, these are some of the losers. Talking about Geo Financial, that will be leaving the Nifty and NSE indices tomorrow. So that stock is under pressure today. But ONGC, Oil India, etc. are on the gaining side, given the fact that crude has topped that $90 per barrel mark after both Russia as well as Saudi have extended the output curbs to December. And if you look at Reliance Industries, there's a positive report coming in from Jefferies. They have a buy rating, target price of 2,950 rupees a share. In fact, Jefferies believes that the valuations have become pretty much favorable after a 7% correction from the peak for Reliance Industries. But Yatin, let's talk about the mid-cap end of the markets. There's a sugar rush happening, right? Given the fact that sugar stocks are clocking in very sweet gains.
Absolutely, and sugar and paper, these are the two sectors which are doing well in trade today. In fact, if you look at the top gainer on the sugar pack, we have EID Perry, that stock is up 6%. Renuka Sugars, that stock is up 6%. And in general, we are looking at paper stocks which are doing well. So we have the likes of West Coast Paper and JK Paper gaining by 5-7%. And other mid-cap, small-cap, paper stocks doing well. In fact, if you look at the small-cap index right now, we also have the rice stocks, the likes of KRB are also gaining by nearly 7%. And, in the other sugar stocks which are gaining by 3 to 4% are the likes of Triveni, Balrampur, Chini, a lot of other stocks which are doing well. Now, let me take you through the railway stocks, because that is one pack wherein there is maximum amount of profit taking in trade today. IRFC down 5%, RVNL down 5%, and in general, other railway stocks and PSU stocks have witnessed some profit taking. So we have the likes of SJVN, Engineers India, SAIL, NLC India, ITI. Most of these stocks are down anywhere between 2 to 5%. So in general, some bit of PSU stocks witnessing profit taking. But clearly the sector of the day in the mid-cap space is sugar and paper.
Right, Yatin, I also want to talk about Voltas. There's a report from Motilal Oswal. They have reinitiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating, target price of 1,000 rupees per share. In fact, they expect the room AC market share for the company at 21 to 22% in FY24, FY25. In fact, they also believe that the long-term positives outweigh the near-term challenges that the company has been facing of late. So that stock was up somewhere around 4% or thereabouts. NBCC was also gaining on the back of the 2,000 crore rupee order win from the Kerala State Housing Board. So those are some of the movers and shakers in today's session. But I think in the second half, of course, we'll see whether or not we manage to claw back from the day's low, given the fact that we saw a positive open even in the face of negative global cues today. But that was about the markets. Let's of course talk about the mega exclusive on Money Control. We had PM Modi giving us an interview, and he spoke about a whole host of issues ahead of the G20 meeting, about how India is becoming a voice of the global South. In fact, he also spoke about a prudent fiscal management. He spoke about how we have we are looking at taming inflation and the growth trajectory as well. So we will be leaving you with some of the excerpts from that mega exclusive, and of course you can also catch the entire interview on our website moneycontrol.com. So log on and read out the entire article for yourself. But we are leaving you with some excerpts of that mega exclusive. But of course, you stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.